Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic HIV virus. Content, introduction, types, how HIV virus target the cell, HIV anatomy, causes, sign and symptoms, diagnosis, treatment and preventions. Introduction. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is a virus that attacks the body immune system. If HIV is not treated, it can lead to AIDS, acquired immune deficiency syndrome. About 37.9 millions of people living with HIV, and HIV killed more than 25 million peoples. Botany with YouTube is our channel. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel firstly. Types of HIV. There are two types of HIV. HIV 1 causes 90% of all cases worldwide. HIV 2, 1% of cases worldwide. HIV anatomy, you can observe here in structure. Capsid glycoprotein, identical RNA strands, viral envelope, or reverse transcriptase enzymes are the component of HIV. How HIV virus target the cell? HIV virus attach to the cell, penetrate to the cell, and then it affect the host cell. What causes HIV? HIV infection is caused by human immunodeficiency virus. You can get HIV from co-vaginal fluids, contact with infected blood or semen or vaginal fluids, by having sex with someone who have HIV, by sharing drug needles with someone who is infected with HIV. The virus can also be passed from a mother to her baby during pregnancy, birth, or breastfeeding. Way HIV not transmit. You can observe here tears, saliva, sharing dishes, or shaking hands, sweating, etc. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Share our channel with your other friends, colleagues, and other researchers. Sign and symptoms. Common early symptom includes fever, sore throat, headache, muscle aches, joint pain, swollen glands, and skin rash. Sign and symptoms. After the early symptoms go away, an infected person may not have symptoms again for many years. After a certain point, symptoms reappear and then remain. These symptoms are usually include swollen lymph nodes, extreme tiredness, weight loss, fever, night sweats. You can observe here in diagram acute HIV infection symptoms: weight loss, fever, lymph node swelling, muscular weakness, liver enlargement, central nervous system, mouth, spleen, gastric, skin, rash will appear, and all these part of body are also affected by this HIV. Botany with YouTube is our channel. Like our channel, like our video, and if you have any question related to our topic, you can ask us in comment section. And if you want to share your point of view, you can also share with us. Diagnosis, direct test, recombinant DNA technique, PCR, enzyme linked immunosorbent serology assay, viral isolation in culture, indirect test, CD4 count, etc. Treatment. Nucleotides analog 1987 show HIV growth. Protease inhibitors decrease HIV level in blood. Non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor. Prevention. Awareness about use of condom, use of shared needles. Donor blood should be screened for HIV. Strict sterilization technique in hospitals. Thanks to visit our channel. Thanks for your concentration, for your attention. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.